Welcome to the Budget Photography Gear Shootout. I'm here with Roberto Valenzuela. Let's go.
Let's do it.
They say it's not the camera, but the photographer that makes a great image. So what actually happens when you take experienced photographers and give them entry-level or outdated gear? Get ready to find out. I'm going head-to-head with photographers with inexpensive photography equipment that we normally wouldn't use. This is the Budget Photography Gear Shootout.
So today we are actually at WPPI in the Canon booth. Canon always has great booths for you to shoot in. We do have some definitely not budget continuous light, but it's what we got in here. I'm excited to use this camera. This just came out. This is the Canon R8 and we're using it with the kit lens, which Roberto was very happy about. The 24-50. Never used this camera or lens, and neither of you, right?
I've never used it. This is my second time touching it. I touched it 5 minutes ago. R8. I don't know what's going on. I don't even know how to turn it on. Vanessa told me just to put it on automatic and run with it.
That's what you do.
This is not what we're gonna do. We will not be putting it in automatic, but we will figure it out.
We've got a gorgeous model.
Is this the shutter button?
No, that you're gonna break the lens. Stop it.
Is this the
Stop
one?
it. You shoot first or I'm shooting first?
Oh, let's see. Who should be first, everybody? Vote on the comments. I'll go first.
I'll go. Then I can steal all your ideas.
Damn it.
Here are the rules. Each photographer is going to be able to shoot to their heart's content. Then we'll edit the images and take a look at our favorite image, and you get to vote in the comments.
All right, go ahead and take a seat in that thing. So we're gonna start this. We're gonna move this thing over here.
Always the most difficult. Always.
Right there, like
Such a
that.
diva.
Okay.
You're gonna be blinding me?
Yeah, you know how it is. Let's see, hold on a second. And go like that. Okay. I'm gonna grab my camera here. What I'm gonna do is basically create a little bit of a cool shadow going on like that. I'm gonna shoot through it. Let me see.
By the way, guys, this is the Nanlite Forza 60B. It's a bicolor light. I don't know if you knew that. It is bicolor if you want to change your initial color.
Bring your chin that
it's
way.
a great light.
All the
I
way.
use it in my studio.
Like that? Like this. Just hold it
that's
right
fine.
there.
Yeah.
Like that from the top, so that thing drops down. And now we're gonna have to use this other one to balance so it's not so bright on her dress.
Ah, got it.
So that's gonna go there. That's gonna be the one that doesn't make her dress pure white. Close your eyes for me. 1, 2, 3. Good. Let me see, make sure I have that. Beautiful. Come all the way this way, all the way your chin, all the way this way, all the way, and that's it. And then chin down a bit, and then bring that gel up a little bit. Right there. And then grab this guy. I'm gonna put this right there. 1, 2. Just a second. I'm gonna put this into a roll. And put this right there. 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes and smile. Big smile, big smile, big smile, big smile, big smile. Good. Good. Okay. All right, got that one. Next shot. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. Let's grab this guy. And we're gonna take this thing off right here real quick. I'm gonna grab this one and take this off.
You want this off, right?
Yeah.
I don't know how to take this.
Actually, what I'll do, take this one out.
There we go.
And actually what I'll do is use this backwards. I'm gonna go like that and just put a hole, just put that hole there. And that's just gonna be a hole like that. And then I'm gonna bring this, let's see further. Okay, that's beautiful. All right, like that. And then we're gonna go like this, just a sec. And down, we're gonna add some texture to that light. Like,
Hang on. I can do it. Hang on. Just give me different grip.
So it's gonna create some texture on it, right there. And then bring it closer for sharper shadows, like that. Let's take a look. Beautiful. Keep your eyes closed. And then what we need to do, Vanessa, is keep moving that jar until I get the right shadows in there. Keep moving it, keep moving it, keep moving it. Got it. Let me see. That's beautiful. Look, turn your face towards me 100%, and then bring your eyes down, chin down, and then bring this down to her eyes. 1, 2, and then just keep moving it around. That's it. Beautiful. Well, that's super cool.
That is super
Okay.
cool.
Let's see what else can we do. We
Can I
have
just
two more
not
minutes.
shoot? Can we just watch you shoot?
Watching you. We do have this, which could possibly work, but I don't know. Let's try this. I don't want Eric Stoner to get mad at us. But let
Ooh.
me see.
This again?
Let me see if I can get.
Yeah? Oh, you didn't need this.
Okay, and we'll do one to kind of frame her face. Might be tough. That might be tough. Let's see. This lens only goes up to 50. 50!
That's right.
It's hard.
That's
it's
what
hard
you
to
get.
do. Let's just do one, and let's put it in the middle of her face, like across her forehead. Close your eyes again,
This way more?
all the way down,
All the way down.
like that. Bring it down a little bit. Bam! That's beautiful. That's gorgeous. Okay, let me see.
Oh my goodness. All right.
Oh my God.
You're good?
Thank you. Yeah, I was like,
Jesus.
every time I went up, it was like F11.
All right, I want to use gels with you because gels are a good time, man. You know what we'll do instead? I'm gonna have you stand up, Naya, and I'm just gonna give this as a nice backlight for you. All right, I'm gonna play with these, but not quite the same way. See if we can create some bokeh at 6'3".
Boca 6'3". Yeah.
Bokeh at
I wanna see
6'3". Man, yeah, 6'3", dude. That's what we got.
That's wild, right?
That is wild. You're gonna play with your hair a little bit. So just kind of, yeah, and then look down this way. That's pretty. And then look down the other way. And then look towards me, like out of the corner of your eye. Yes. That's really pretty. Look down this direction.
Play my hair.
Yeah. I like hands. I like hands in photos.
You want me to hold it?
I think I'm good. I like moving it around. I also, this is like on super silent shutter, I'm like, am I taking a picture? And take a deep breath through your mouth, like, good. And breath, blow it out. That's awesome. All right, have a seat. So I'm gonna pose you up a little bit. So you're gonna lean on one hip. So kind of almost like mermaid style, and then stabilize yourself kind of wherever. That's good. That looks awesome. Perfect. And then with that hand that's in the back, just kind of do that like playing with your hair. Good, and then up at me again. Let me play with some reflections. Okay. Yeah, this is really fun. So look kind of this direction. I'm gonna turn this light off. You're gonna look that direction. Oh yeah, I love this. Hang on. I gotta shake you. Changing my mind. Turn that off too. You have like the most perfect profile, so I want to show it off. Look that way. Seriously, like gorgeous. Yeah, so you're gonna look kind of right here. Do you mind if I move your hair? Okay, so I want to see like clean neckline. Yeah, okay. So you're gonna lean on that here so that you can like stick your chin forward a little bit, kind of dramatic. Oh, yes. Oh, that's perfect. Turn your nose a little bit more that way, like keep going a little bit more, go, go, go. Yeah, that's perfect right there. And go even more, turn your head more that way. Right there, good. And then do that deep breath through your mouth and chin up a whole bunch, like you're super snotty, and close your eyes. That is amazing. Stay right there. I love this. Stay right where you are, but take this hand and just bring it like right here and like play piano on your shoulder. Yep. Chin up, chin up again, and then yeah, eyes closed. Breathe through your mouth so you separate your lips. Good. And then look towards me a little bit. No, I lied. You're gonna look this way. Yeah. And then now you're gonna look at me. Oh, love that. Ah, perfect, I'm good, I'm happy. You look so good. Like super dramatic.
I love that.
And then hold on, you gotta see Roberto's. These are cute. You look really good. But Roberto's.
I love
Look at
all
this.
of these. Please send me these.
Of course.
I will give you credit.
Not bad.
Oh,
my God.
these are beautiful.
Do you love?
Vanessa,
You look so
you
good.
are my favorite person ever.
him
you are
too, him
literally
too.
my favorite person ever. Thank you.
Yay! I'm happy. You happy?
I am.
All right. Let me know what you think. We're going to show you the 2 final photos, our absolute favorites. They are edited. Someone's hammering next door because there's a Mylar bag over there. But tell me what you guys think in the comments. Who crushed this budget gear shootout? Hit like, subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time. Oh, and check out Roberto's stuff. He's got stuff.
I have a
Put it-
YouTube channel too, but nobody follows it because I don't post much.
They're going to follow it.
I need to do more.
Yes. Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Let me tell you about this video sponsor, Squarespace. I have been using Squarespace for probably over a decade. Squarespace is a platform where you can create beautiful custom websites in just a few minutes. Choose from a plethora of templates where you can easily plug and play your own work. It's an all-in-one platform for building your brand and growing your business online. We all know that an online presence is crucial for your brand, so build one that stands out. Head over to this link for my exclusive 10% discount on your first domain at Squarespace.